In honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is the whole month of October, I would like to share an app that I have created for you to download. The app is called Survivor Finder, and it is for anyone that is struggling with a diagnosis with breast cancer, who may be going through treatment, has any questions, anything that goes along with that. Maybe if you're looking for a doctor. So in this app, you can find all of the answers that you've been looking for and connect with people that could support you. In the app, you will have links to finding survivors that you could connect with. Certain things such as having a double mastectomy, a very rare breast cancer, which is triple negative. You can connect with people in that area, and something that people don't think much about, which is men. You could also connect with men that have been fighting breast cancer or have fought breast cancer. You also have pages where you can save some of your favorite contacts. You can also track your health, send messages to one another. You can also find doctors nearby. And then we also have a page that features new survivors every week. You can also submit your own story to be presented in the app. And the whole app is just to help support women that have been fighting breast cancer. I actually had breast cancer 3 years ago, which inspired me to create this app. I didn't have any family members that had had breast cancer. So for me, it was just, I didn't know where to look. You can't go to your doctor and, ask for support. You need to find that somewhere else. I wish I would have had something such as this app to connect with people that could inspire me or could answer questions about all the things that I had thought about in my mind, but I didn't have anybody to ask. So this app is dear to my heart and also inspiring that I could help other people that could be dealing with the same thing. Thank you.